Welcome po uli sa ating channel, Ellis Choice Carrera Tips, Sariling Giya. September 3, 2025, araw tayo ng Miyerkules, 7 karera pa rin at 5 p.m. start time. Race number 1, winner take all, nag-iisang 1400 meters, 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Ang primera kong numero 1, Paris with bronze with Tanya Nabarosa at panigundo ko yung 9, Mangantana with CL at Bincol. 1-9, race number 1. Race number 2, start ng pick 6. May carry over tayo ng Pentapecta. 54,931 pesos 61 cents. Class 5, 17 to 41 split. 1-2 ang distansya mula race 2 hanggang race 7. Dito pang primero ko numero 4, Gold Rush with YL Bautista. At panigundo ko naman yung 8 Snow White with Patty Dilemma. 4-8, race number 2. Race number 3, pick 5, class 5, 17 to 41, split. Ito anybody's race to. Ang primero ko yung 8, Old Forest with MP Cañete. At panigundo ko 7, Anya Anya with RC Tabor. 8-7, race 3. Race 4, pick 4, class 5, 17 to 41 split. Ang primero ko naman dito, 5, Animo Lasal with CP Enson. And then panigundo ko, Isla Puting Bato, number 3 with Noel C. Lunar. 5-3, race number 4. Race 5, Buling DD1, class 4, 42 to 56 split. Dito naman ako, numero 8, Flywheel with Apoy Asuncion. Panigundo ko yung 1, Queen Gabi with Patty Dilemma. 8-1, race number 5. Race 6, penultimate race, class 5, 17 to 41 split. Dito naman ako, numero 7, heavyweight, JT Pabilik. Then panigundo ko, number 6, Mr. Manilenial with JB Ponce. 7-6, race number 6. And then race number 7, huling karera, class 4, 42 to 56 split. Ang primero ko, numero 7, Morning After, Grade AR Villegas. Panigundo ko yung numero 2, Warhammer with JT Pabilik. 7-2, race number 7. So good luck po. Happy racing and God bless.